Universal gates, NAND and NOR are called universal gates. Why these gates are called universal gates? The main reason is you can implement any Boolean expression or any digital circuits by means of this NAND and OR. So this is the main reason why we call this as a universal gates. And also we can obtain the functions of other gates like AND, OR, NOT, everything by means of this NAND and NOR. Okay. So next we will see the functions of these gates. First one, NAND gate. NAND gate, which means AND NOT, that is the complement of AND gate. The logic symbol of NAND gate is this one. It is 2 input NAND gate, and here it is AND. We are using bubble. Bubble is nothing but inversion operation, so it is AND NOT, that is inversion of AND gate. So the function is, it is the inversion of AND, so it produces logic high output if at least one of the input is 0, and it produces logic low output if both the inputs are high, because it is the complement of AND gate, right? So the output is 1 if at least one of the input is 0, and the output is 0 if both the inputs are 1. It's just the complement of AND. Next one is truth table. Here there is 2 input and single output. Inputs are A, B, so possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The output is Y. The output is 1 if at least one of the input is 0. In first case, both the inputs are 0, so the output is 0, 1. And second case, first input is 0, so the output is 1. In third case, the second input is 0, so the output is 1. In fourth case, both the inputs are 1, so you get 0 output. Okay, so this is the output of NAND gate. If you are writing the output for AND gate, you get, if both the inputs are 0, you get 0 output. 0, 1 means in AND gate, if any one of the input is 0, you get 0 output. So 0, 1 means you get 0, right? 1, 0, definitely you get 0. 1, 1, if both the inputs are 1, you get 1, right? So this is the output of AND gate. Okay, so if you are comparing this two column, this is for NAND gate and this is for AND gate, it is just the complement of AND gate. NAND gate output is the complement of AND gate. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Okay. Next, the Boolean expression. It is the complement of AND gate, so y is equal to a dot b the whole bar. A dot b is the AND operation. If you are taking the complement, you get a dot b the whole bar. Normally, this symbol is a conventional symbol which is used to represent NAND gate. One more symbol is there to represent NAND gate, that is invert R. Invert R. Okay. So the question may rise, is the output is same as a dot b the whole bar? Yes, because it is R and here there is 2 bubble, which is the inversion operation. So before applying to this R gate, the inputs are inverted. So first input is A, and here you get A dash, A bar, and second input is B, and here you get B dash. Okay, and then it is applied to the OR gate. OR is logical addition. So logical addition means A dash plus B dash, right? So this is the output of this gate. Okay, so A dash plus B dash, you can also write this as A dot B the whole bar, because by De Morgan's law, A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, so both are same, right? This A dot B the whole bar is nothing but NAND gate operation. Okay, so next one, NOR gate. NOR gate is R naught, which is the complement of R gate. The logic symbol is this one. This is 2 input NOR gate, and this bubble represent inversion operation, right? So the function is if one of the input is at least one of the input is 1, it produces logic 0. Okay, and if both the inputs are 0, it produces logic 1. Okay, if at least one of the input is 1, it produces logic 0, and if all the inputs are 0, then the output is high, because it is the complement of OR gate. Okay, so next, the truth table, AB, so the possible combinations are here, and output is Y, and we know that if one of the input is 1, you get low output, logic low, and both the inputs are 0 means you get logic high output, right? 1. Here one of the input is 1, so you get 0. Here also one of the input is 1, so you get 0. Here both the inputs are 1, so you get 0, right? So this is the output of NOR gate. If you are writing the output for OR gate means you get, so if you are writing the output for OR gate means you get first one 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1, because in OR gate if at least one of the input is 1, you get logic 1 at the output, right? Okay, so if you look at these two columns, this NOR gate output is just the complement of OR. Okay, so it's proved NOR is nothing but complement of OR, and the expression is a plus b the whole bar. A plus b is the logical OR operation, we are taking complement, so you get a plus b the whole bar. And this is the conventional symbol. We can also use one more symbol, that is invert AND. Okay, here also there is a bubble which is used to invert the input. After inverting, it will be given to the AND gate. Okay, so here you get A dash, and here you get B dash. It is given to AND. AND operation is logical multiplication, so you get A bar dot B bar. Okay, so by De Morgan's law, A dash dot B dash can also be written as A plus B the whole dash, right? So you can get the same function by using this symbol. Okay, thank you for watching.